Hello, dear students of English 8. Welcome to session 11 of the class. It is a pleasure for me to welcome to you to another session of English 8. We're almost getting done with the English course, okay? For today, we are going to be working on Unit 14. We are going to continue Unit 14 in session 11 behind the scenes, okay? So, it is very important for you to complete your task according to the time, okay? Because we're getting close to the final test, okay? So, at in every single session of the class, we have an introductory video that provides us general ideas about what session 11 is going to be about. Let's take a look at it. Okay, then you can take a look at it in the platform to watch it completely. Okay, for today we are going to be talking about media professions. I'm wondering, have you ever dreamed about to be a media profession? Okay, so for today we are going to be talking about the medium professions that we have according to communication career. Okay, so media professions, it means that we have in media and communication careers. Number one, announcers. Number two, art directors. Number three, broadcast and sound engineering technicians. Number four, editors. Number five, film and video editors and camera operators. Number six, graphic designers. Number seven, interpreters and translators. Number eight, photographers. Number nine, reporter, correspondents, and broadcast news analysts. Number 10, technical writers. And number 11, but the last one but not least important, writers and authors. Okay, so those are the media and communication professions that we have according to the career. Okay. In here, we have a video tutorial, types of jobs that you can get as a journalist or communicate, according to Communications University, okay? Let's take a look at. Also, you can take a look at the platform. You can watch this video completely, okay? So it's related about the type of jobs that you can get as a journalist, okay? And in here, we have a practice exercise. According to media professions, complete the charge with the compound nouns, okay? So we are going to make our practice exercise as a team. So for that, we are going to complete the charts according to the professions, okay? Field jobs, field jobs. Okay, we have field composer, field composer. As well, we have movie extra, movie extra. Okay. Also, we have sitcom writer, sitcom writer. Now, publishing jobs. We have page designer, page designer, page designer, photo editor, photo editor. Also, we have editorial director, editorial director, TV jobs. Okay, in TV jobs, we have talk show host, talk show host. Also, we have newscaster, newscaster. Okay, newscaster. Then we have a stunt person. Okay, stunt person. Now computer jobs. We have computer programmer, computer programmer, computer programmer, software designer, software designer, and finally we have network network installer. Okay, now we are going to submit our answers, and we are going to check if they are right or they are incorrect. Okay. Okay, so all of them are correct. Field jobs, field composer, movie extra, sitcom writer, publishing jobs, page designer, photo editor, editorial director, TV jobs, talk show host, newscaster, stunt person, computer jobs, computer programmer, software designer, network installer. Okay, so this is our practice exercise related to media professions. Now we are going to move on relative clauses. Okay, so relative clauses, we have our grammar explanation, definite and not definite relative clauses. Definite relative clauses are used to identify people. A dialect coach is a language specialist. A dialect coach is a language specialist, who or that works with actors on their accent. Non-definite relative clauses give further information about people. For example, a location scout finds places to shoot. A location scout who finds places to shoot scenes travels all over the world. And here we have our grammar explanation. A definite relative clause is essential in a sentence because we need it in order to know who or what someone is describing. And not definite relative clause is separated from the main part of the sentence by commas. A definite relative clause is not separated from the main part of the sentences by commas. For example, here we have why, where, whose, when, who. Okay. Definite relative clauses. We use definite relative clauses to give essential information about someone or something, information that we need in order to understand what or who it's being referred to. A definite relative clause usually comes immediately after the noun, it describes. We usually use a relative pronoun who, that, which, whose, and whom to introduce a definite relative clause. And the examples, the relative clause is in bold, and the person or thing being referred to is underlined. They're the people who want to buy our house. Here are some sales which had been affected. They should give the money to somebody who they think needs the treatment most. Subject or object. The relative pronoun can define the subject or the object of the verb. They are the people who that bought our house. In this case, the people bought our house. The people are the subject. They are the people who that she met at John's party. She met the people. So in this case, the people are the object. Here are some cells which or that show abnormality. Some cells show abnormality. So for in this case, some cells are the subject in these sentences. Okay. And then we have a video tutorial on YouTube. Re relative clauses, definite versus non-definite. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so it was very clear the explanation. So now once that you already watched the video, so you're going to be able to make or practice exercise with the defining and not defining relative clauses. Okay, so in here you're going to have an exercise that is going to be evaluated. You are going to replace that with who or which and the definite relative clauses. And this exercise goes for 5 points. Okay, it's really important before to get started your exercise to read the instructions carefully, please. And if you have a question uh, during this section, please do not hesitate to contact me. Let's remember that in every single session, you have at least 2 tries. You can do 2 tries. And remember, you need to complete your task according to the time, because next Saturday is session 12, and then we're going to have session 13, which means that you are going to do your final test. If you don't have complete your task, all of them according to the time, you are going to be in trouble according to your score. Okay, so it's really important for you be completing those tasks according to time. Okay, if you have any question about this session, do not hesitate to contact me through the WhatsApp group. Have a great weekend, and I cannot wait to see you into the next session of the class. Goodbye and take care.